Welcome. To look attractive and more visible appearance of worksheet cells, Microsoft introduced formatting tools. With the help of formatting tools, we can change the physical appearance of worksheet cell. We can change the size of text, color of text, background color of text, and others. Microsoft has many formatting tools. Let's check out. First, I format the name of student admission report. Click cell A4. Press mouse and drag to column I. I want merging these cells into one cell. In Home tab, in Alignment group, click the arrow button. You have 4 options here. Click Merge Cell buttons. Now you can see these cells merge into one cell. Now to look more attractive and visible, I format the data report header. This portion is called header. So select those cells which you want to merge into one cell. Select these cells, press Ctrl key. Select these cells, 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 and select these cells. In Home tab, Alignment group, click this arrow button, select Merge Cells. Now you can see these cells are merged into one cell.